I see. I see. Oh, where do you live? Are you from US right now? I mean, are you from US and give me the state only? I no. Abbreviation only. Abbreviation. I want to I want to guess. Yeah, I want the abbreviation only. Give me. I will guess it by just reading the abbreviation. No, abbreviation. Give me. Give me abbreviation. Of course, it's hard to get if there's no clue. Because, okay, that's the state. HI, okay. Okay, I'll try to guess it, okay. But I'm not 100% of this. So, is it Hawaii? Is Hawaii a state or a city? Just say no. Or if it's not. Not even 100% sure if that's Hawaii because I feel like there's still. I think that's the only H in this, state, 50 states. Great job. I didn't even think that I got it because I thought there's another like that starts with letter H. Oh my god. Hi, Pez! Pez, where are you from? And I'll guess your state. Oh my god, unidentified. You me. You make me, It's so hard to, English ba? Wow, so you live in Hawaii. That's like an expensive place to live. Hi, Marcus. Yeah, I've heard. Where kasi sa Hawaii? Honolulu? I think Honolulu is the capital city of the Hawaii. Oh wow, that's like expensive. Nice. Nandito lang ako sa Nandito ako sa Arizona. Arizona. Make me chok. What? Make me chok. Coco. Make me shock nga, guys. Ako nasa Philippines. Ay! Which, Visayas po? Visayas. Hi, Sky. Wala pa talaga akong lahat ba ng nasa Visayas, wala ba talagang Tagalog sa Visayas? Wala ba talagang Tagalog sa Visayas? I mean, walang what do you call that? Walang place ba? Bisaya ka, hindi? Hi, 902! Oo, Bisaya ako, be. Ang sakit ng